Hey everyone, today I'm doing another tutorial about Ricochet Exchange. Yes, I've done one before about this exchange, but they have updated the UI and they have several new features which are really cool and warrant a new one. Take a look at this new user interface. I'll do a quick flashback to the old one so you can compare them. It is a major upgrade, so well done team on that. Before I get too deep, let me make sure you know what Ricochet even is. Ricochet is an exchange, a very unique exchange on the Polygon blockchain that operates using technology created by Superfluid. Superfluid is a platform that lets you stream money or crypto assets to people. So for example, if I want to send somebody 1,000 DAI over the course of 1 month, I click send using Superfluid and it streams that over the whole month, and they're going to be continuously getting money until it reaches the 1,000 DAI on the last day. Now, Ricochet, the exchange, takes this one step further and it lets you do streaming buys of different crypto assets. So you're probably familiar with DCAing, where you buy a small amount of a crypto in a recurring period. So for example, I want to buy ETH and I buy that every week. No matter what, I buy ETH every week. And the idea is that over time, this can often play out better than if you just bought a large chunk at one time, because you don't know if it's going up, you don't know if it's going down, and yeah. So Ricochet, instead of doing a recurring buy every month or every week or whatever you want to do, here you're streaming per month into your crypto of choice. So if you look at the top, the first one, USDC RIC, that's the governance token of Ricochet, and you can stream, you enter how much USDC of RIC you want to buy per month, and then it streams it from the minute you press start. And so your buy-in price ends up being the average of the month because it's continuously buying over the course of that month. Let's take a look at the different crypto assets we can stream in and out of. So USDC RIC, Ricochet. The next one, we could do USDC into a USDC ETH LP position on SushiSwap on Polygon, which is really cool. What's unique about this one is that it's getting an APY from SushiSwap, fees and rewards. You can see 18.91% in fees and 4.30% rewards. And those rewards are paid out automatically to your wallet in Sushi X and Matic X. So I don't bore you, let's go through the rest super speed. USDC to ETH, USDC to WBTC, ETH to USDC, WBTC to USDC. So many of these are just one asset streaming to the other and then the reverse. So you can DCA in, you can DCA out. Maker to USDC, USDC to Maker. DAI to ETH, ETH to DAI. DAI to Matic, Matic to DAI. USDC to Matic, Matic to USDC, and so on. For this tutorial, I am going to be streaming DAI into ETH. Step one, after selecting what I want to stream, is you got to go to the wallet where you upgrade your tokens into the Superfluid super tokens. So we have a list of possible assets here, and we have to upgrade them into the streamable versions powered by Superfluid. So you got a bunch over here, and I'm going to be doing DAI, so I'm going to select DAI. Right now, I don't have any DAI, so I'm going to go exchange for some behind the scenes and come back. Okay guys, I got my 100 DAI now. You can see it in my balance, and I'm going to click on max, and I got to approve and then click upgrade. I'm going to fast forward this part because it's not very interesting to watch me go through the MetaMask approvals. Once you're done all that and it goes through on the Polygon blockchain, then you're done. If you don't see your DAI X balance change, you'll see that on the bottom, DAI X, then you could just refresh the page and you'll see it change. So take note, DAI balance 0, DAI X balance 100. That's exactly what I want. We're good to go. So let's click on the invest part. I told you I'm going to be streaming my DAI into ETH. So scroll down until you find it. You can see current balance 100 DAI X, 0 ETH X. Let's set up this stream. Click on this area. It doesn't matter where you click. You got this box here which says input rate DAI X per month. That's where I'm going to put how many DAI I'm going to be streaming into ETH per month. On Ricochet, it's all done currently by the month. So I'm going to do the max, which is 100. I'm going to be streaming 100 DAI into ETH continuously over the month. And there's a little disclaimer here when you hover your cursor over start. It says starting the stream will take a security deposit of 0.56 DAI from your balance. The deposit will be refunded in full when you close the stream, or lost if your balance is 0 with the stream still open. Long story short, everything should be good as long as you don't do anything sketchy with the underlying funds. If you're, for example, doing a stream and then you yank out your DAI, you will have your security deposit taken and your stream will stop, obviously. So you don't have to worry about that if you're a regular user. Put the amount you want to stream, click start, and that's all you got to do. So I'm going to fast forward all the MetaMask stuff because, once again, boring. You also have the ability to edit the stream in the middle, which is pretty cool. And once it's all done, if you ever want to stop the stream, you obviously just click on stop. So all that is pretty straightforward. And we're pretty much done. Once the transaction goes through, if you don't see your balance update, then you can just refresh the page. And you'll see now that my DAI balance is now 99.44 because I had subtracted the security deposits to make sure that the stream remains safe. And the ETH balance is currently 0. That balance will actually be updated every 30 minutes because the way that Ricochet works under the hood is that your funds are streamed into kind of a pool, and every 30 minutes it initiates a buy of your asset of choice. Over the course of the next month, the DAI X balance will slowly decrease. This is very slowly because it's $100 divided over a month, continuously streaming. The DAI balance will go down and the ETH X balance will go up. If you look where my cursor is, it shows the details about my stream, that it's 100 DAI per month. And that runs out on December 30th, 2021, which is exactly 30 days from now, or 31 days, I have to check. So yeah, that's it. If you want to see this actual thing happening with a cool counting number, want to see some animation, you can go, if you really want, to Superfluid and watch it happening in real time. It's app.superfluid.finance, and it's my dashboard, and check it out. The 100 DAI is streaming away. So it once was 100 and now it's streaming. Usually the stream is a bit more fluid, I guess you could say, but with the recording software, my computer is slowed down a bit, so the countdown isn't as cool as it usually looks. It says my balance is going to run out on 30th December. I got 1 penny of ETH. So that is it. Any more questions, go over to the Discord and the team will be totally happy to help you. They're really cool guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.